Is the Denver airport host to Illuminati and New World Trade Centers? Is it? Well, we'll never really know until we find out. There's no evidence, well, there is no true big evidence, but there are a bunch of small details hinting that Denver is Illuminati and New World Revolution headquarters. Theory number 1, the mountains. Our first theory today is that they're storing nuclear weapons in the mountains, in the big old Rocky Mountains that you see in the picture. They're beautiful, and it actually would be a pretty good place. Construction workers, when they were building it, said that they made long tunnels that went deep in the ground, underground, that went hundreds and hundreds of miles away from the airport. Is this true? Well, this could just be a lie, and they're just trying to get attention and get on TV. But I guess we'll never really know until we find out. Over budget. The Denver airport had a budget of $2 billion. Well, they went over budget just a few billion. They went $2 billion over budget. They went $4.5 billion, and the airport itself and the runways combined is twice the size of Manhattan, 44 miles. It was just way too big to be true at the time. There was already another airport in service which was perfectly fine for Denver's needs. Why Denver? Well, we can't really know, and it was just, I think, put there if there even is an Illuminati, which most likely there is not one. It was put out there due to the Rocky Mountains. Again, this is a conspiracy theory, and most of this probably isn't very true. It's just fun to think about, thinking that the big, nice city of Denver could be host to New World Revolutions. Delays. There are hundreds and hundreds of delays in Denver a day. I speak from experience when I talk about this. I have been personally delayed there many times, and your flights don't get delayed by 30 minutes or an hour. Maybe not being generous 5 hours. They keep you there all day, and then at the very end of the day at midnight, they cancel your flight. They do this repeatedly throughout the day for unknown reasons, saying weather, but if you look at the weather bug, there is no clouds within thousands of miles from you, so you begin to wonder why. The runways aren't too busy. There hasn't been a flight that has taken off to the town you are going to or on the runway for a few hours, so why not? This could just be a big, weird bug, but again, I guess we'll never know. Well, I didn't really ever do a good job of explaining what the New World Revolution is or what the Denver airport is. The airport is simple. It's just an airport, at least at first glance. You see, what is the Illuminati? It was started back a long time ago in Rome in the ancient days, and there are many dumb theories about, Taco Bell and George Washington and the Twin Towers, New World Trade Centers, the One World Trade Center, the Four Corners, Hoover Dam. There's been a bunch of different theories on it over the years, just why these things were built, and it's really just kind of a weird, odd coincidence, at least in my opinion. Unless there's something that I don't know that's going on out there and the world doesn't know. It's just a pretty dumb theory. Job of presenting it, but on the bottom it says New World Revolutions. Fears still go, because all this theory is just fake. So, still travel there. For now, we'll never know. It's safe. It was just a fun topic I wanted to cover. Thank you.